Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best pink first aid kit is probably one of the most unexpectedly essential items you can have, blending vital preparedness with a touch of personal style, ensuring you're ready for life's little mishaps while adding a cheerful pop to your emergency supplies, making safety both practical and pretty, a perfect companion for home, car, or outdoor adventures, proving that being prepared doesn't mean sacrificing aesthetics. Number 5. First Aid Only 298-piece First Aid Kit. Introducing the essential kit for unexpected moments. It's designed to provide immediate care when you need it most. This comprehensive kit contains 298 vital supplies. It ensures you have a wide range of items for various injuries and situations. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the road, it's ready. You can keep it in your car, apartment, dorm, or even take it camping. Its compact pouch makes it incredibly easy to carry. You can effortlessly fit it into backpacks, suitcases, cabinets, or drawers. Ensure safety and peace of mind for yourself and your loved ones. It's the reliable choice for all your first aid needs. What we like? If you need a comprehensive kit for various situations, this is an excellent choice. With 298 pieces, it covers a wide range of common injuries and emergencies. Its compact design makes it perfect for home, office, or on-the-go use, ensuring you're always prepared. What people say. Number 4. General Medi Mini First Aid Kit. Introducing the General Medi Mini First Aid Kit. It's your essential companion for unexpected emergencies, designed to keep you prepared wherever you go. This compact kit contains 110 crucial items. From bandages to antiseptic wipes, it has everything you need from minor injuries. It thoughtfully includes an emergency foil blanket for warmth and a pair of scissors for quick access. These additions enhance its versatility in various situations. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the road, this kit is ideal. It's designed for travel, vehicles, camping, and even the workplace. Don't leave home without it for your outdoor adventures. Its small size makes it easy to carry, ensuring safety on every journey. Its mini size makes it incredibly portable. You can easily tuck it into a backpack, glove compartment, or desk drawer. What we like? For those prioritizing portability and essential emergency items, this kit is ideal. Its compact size makes it incredibly easy to carry in a backpack or glove compartment. If you're looking for a small yet well-equipped option that even includes an emergency blanket, this one is a strong contender. What people say. Number 3. Dixie EMS Dixigear First Responder 2-Bag Pink. Be ready for any emergency with this vital gear. It's designed for quick access to your medical supplies. This bag comes empty, allowing you to personalize its contents. Fill it with the specific tools you need for your response. Measuring 10.5 by 5 by 8 inches, it offers ample space without being bulky. You can carry all your essentials comfortably. Stand out with its unique pink color. This vibrant shade also makes it easy to spot in urgent situations. Crafted with first responders in mind, it's durable and reliable. Trust it to hold your critical equipment securely. Constructed from robust materials, it withstands demanding environments. This ensures your supplies are protected at all times. What we like? If you prefer to build your own custom first aid kit, this empty bag is perfect. Its first responder style offers a professional and organized way to store your supplies. For those who want to personalize their emergency readiness with a durable and stylish pink bag, this is an excellent foundation. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. THINKWORK Pink Emergency Roadside Kit for Ladies. This comprehensive pink emergency roadside assistance kit is designed specifically for teen girls and ladies. It includes a 10-foot jumper, a first aid kit, LED flare, deer whistles, and many other essential pink accessories. We've upgraded it with a 2-in-1 LED flare that acts as a flashlight and warning triangle. It also features a 2-color emergency blanket for better visibility in various environments, and improved deer whistles to help prevent collisions. This kit provides compact and practical pink roadside emergency accessories to handle most possible accidents. It includes a pink LED flare, jumper cables, an emergency blanket, a safety hammer, and a fully equipped first aid kit. It contains all the basic necessities every lady should carry, with reflective strips for increased visibility. Whether your battery is dead, or you face minor breakdowns, this kit is an essential travel companion, ensuring you're always prepared. All tools are neatly packed in a sturdy, stylish pink bag, saving space in your car. Every accessory is a safe, high-quality product, like the pure copper wire cord jumper, designed to get your car back on track quickly. This beautiful pink roadside assistance kit makes a practical and necessary gift for new drivers, experienced drivers, or any car owner. It's especially suitable for young girls and ladies, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for car emergencies, making it a must-have for any driver. It includes essential roadside assistance tools like jumper cables and an LED flare, alongside a first aid kit. If you're a lady driver or looking for a thoughtful gift for one, this comprehensive pink emergency kit ensures safety on the road. What people say. Number 1. Poygik Premium 420-piece Large First Aid Kit. Introducing the ultimate emergency solution for every aspect of your life. This comprehensive kit ensures you're ready for any unexpected situation, providing peace of mind wherever you are. Keep your loved ones safe at home or on the road. It's perfectly sized for easy storage in your house or vehicle, making sure help is always within reach. Whether you're exploring the wilderness or embarking on a journey, this kit is your reliable companion. Its robust contents are designed to handle the demands of travel and outdoor activities. Packed with a vast array of medical supplies, it addresses a wide range of injuries and emergencies. You'll find everything you need to provide immediate care. From the office to the sports field, this kit meets diverse needs. It's an indispensable asset for businesses and active individuals, ensuring safety in various environments. What we like. For ultimate preparedness, this large kit with 420 premium pieces is unmatched. It provides extensive coverage for almost any emergency scenario, from minor cuts to more significant incidents. If you need a robust, all-encompassing solution for a large family, business, or extensive outdoor activities, this one offers peace of mind. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.